Hello everyone, this is Mostafa from Structural Engineering Basics, and today I want to talk to you about this structure, probably one of the greatest structures of all time, the Great Pyramid of Egypt. Look at that thing. Look how big it is. It's old. It's like thousands of years old. And it held the record for the tallest man-made structure for thousands of years. I think it's pretty remarkable. And today I want to talk to you about the three things I think made the Great Pyramid a successful project. First thing I think is the design. The designer, like it's very interesting structure, and there are chambers inside, excellent precision and workmanship. The designer of the pyramid, they clearly understood what the design requirement was. I imagine the pharaoh or the king wanted to have the tallest structure at the time and wanted to hold the title for thousands of years, and this is pretty much what the builders developed. So in order to achieve that, I think pretty quickly they chose the pyramid shape because it has a very low probability of failure structure. This is because of just the shape, the slopes. If this structure was to like fail or collapse, it will pretty much like collapse on itself. So I think they did a very good job with the pyramid. It survived numerous earthquakes, so that's a proof that it's earthquake proof. So check there for design. The second thing I think contributed to this being a successful project, the materials and workmanship. About 2 million blocks of limestone and granite was used over about like 20 years to build this pyramid, and the precision, especially when you go inside like the chamber, it is very precise. The workmanship is excellent on this project. So the third thing I think was communication. Communication was key. When you have a project that goes that long and is that big, there were actually issues with the huge granite slabs on top of the ceiling of the king's chamber, about like mid-height of the pyramid. These showed sign of cracking under the load once like the upper part of the pyramid was being constructed. So the workers obviously coordinated, communicated with the designer. The issue was looked at, and it's actually well documented. You can see how the load transfer was kind of tweaked a little bit to distribute the load of the top of the pyramid to arch or vault across the ceiling of the king's chamber. It's a very remarkable structure. It has been here for thousands of years. I think just looking at it, we can learn a lot. That's all what I wanted to talk about today, and I will see you next time. See ya.